Good morning, guys. I'm coming to you from Lakeland, Florida, and I am here today in Lakeland because one of the things I'm going to do is I'm going to tour the Lakeland Amtrak station. Alright, let's go check out the station. Let's go make some memories. There's that little sign outside. And if you're not able to take the stairs, there's a public elevator. What the heck? Let's take the elevator.
Going up.
We'll take the elevator up and then we'll take the steps back down, I guess. This is an interesting train station.
Second floor. Going down.
Alright, let's see what we got here. Got a ramp down this way. Ramp takes you down that way, I'm guessing, to get up here for the luggage and whatnot, maybe. And then this is the actual train station over here. There's a building behind me that I'm going to go in a second here. And this is the station down here. Let's walk down here a little bit and see what they got to offer. There's plenty of benches. This is really cool. All the archway and everything up here. This is really neat. So it's definitely a lot bigger than I expected it to be. And as you can see over there, there's some newer apartments. Looks like some sort of electrical substation. Looks like this might be the last of the benches. That archway goes down pretty far down that way. As you can see there. Alright, so let's walk back the other way. Going back the other way here, you'll see there's the building. That's the train station, the actual building. We started off underneath it down below. That's where we caught the elevator up. And we saw the sign. And then this, look in this direction, is looking east, which is looking back towards Kissimmee, Orlando, the way the trains go from here. Going west, which is this direction, the only station going back to the west that Amtrak has is the Tampa station. Alright, let's go see what they got inside. So I got a nice seating area in here. It is air conditioned, which is great. Restrooms over here. I got some stuff over here. Alright. It's the City of Lakeland Intermodal Rail Station. 1998. Cool. This is like a little patio area that's up here, which has awesome views of the lake down here. Look at the views of the lake. That's really cool. This is a nice place to come out and enjoy the view while you're waiting for your train, or maybe while you're waiting for your ride to come pick you up. Really, really cool. Cool area. And then this patio thing also leads down there, but they've got the gate closed at the moment, so it's a smaller station, but they've got everything you could possibly want. They've got vending machines over here on the side. And that's pretty much it. And then, so this is the steps that go back down. When I came up, I took the elevator. Now we're going to take the steps back down. Alright, so back down here. Back down below, and that's basically your station. It's definitely better than some of the other Florida locations that we've come across to this point. And a couple things I want to point out is when you get off of your train, when you either get off of your train or you get off of or you're waiting for your train to arrive, you can come into this area down here, this little sitting area. There's plenty of benches here where you can sit, take in the view of the lake. And then all around the lake, I mean, it's just a beautiful walk. If you walk over that way where those arches are on that bridge, you're gonna circle all the way around the lake out here. And the Lakeland Library is over in that direction over there. So if you're here during the week when the library is open, you could need some time to kill. You could go over there and check out the lake. I mean, check out the library on the other side of the lake. All right. All right, so that's gonna do it from the Amtrak station here in Lakeland, Florida. Thanks for watching. If you're subscribed, thank you. If not, hit that subscribe button down below. Give this video a big thumbs up. Share it with other people you know who like trains. That'll help spread the word, help our channel grow. We do other things besides trains, but it'll also help. So, all right, thanks you guys so much for watching. Hopefully you enjoyed the Lakeland station here. It's a smaller station, but it's beautiful, and it's in a beautiful area. So definitely there's worse places you could get off a train or have to wait for one. So, all right, so thanks you guys so much for watching. We'll see you soon.